From securing justice for injured workers to taking on corporate giants, VB attorneys made 2024 another year of relentless advocacy. Here are 5 cases that defined our year and changed the lives of our clients. Number 5. While performing routine maintenance at a dairy farm, our client was seriously injured due to defective equipment and a lack of proper safety protocols. The incident resulted in permanent injuries that ended his ability to work in his field, leaving him and his family facing an uncertain future. VB attorneys held the responsible parties accountable, proving that negligence and unsafe work conditions caused the accident. The settlement we secured provides our client with the financial stability needed for ongoing medical care and a fresh start. Number 4. Aboard Transocean's deepwater Asgard drillship, our client was instructed to close a below-deck valve. In order to reach and turn the valve, he had to kneel down, bend over, and exert significant force. During this, he severely injured his lower back. These below-deck valves are notoriously hard to turn, and for years prior to his injury, he had been requesting a T-bar to assist. VB attorneys fought tirelessly to hold the company accountable for their neglect and unsafe working conditions. This case concluded with a life-changing settlement that ensures our client can focus on their recovery and future. Number 3. Our client was severely injured while working on a tugboat on the Ohio River. While tightening wires, he was struck by a pipe with approximately 500 pounds of force, causing him to lose consciousness and fall about 10 feet onto the deck below. The impact resulted in extensive head injuries, leading to a week-long period of unconsciousness and a projected recovery time of 6 months to a year. The company's negligence was evident, and we pursued justice under the Jones Act. This hard-fought battle ended with a verdict that not only compensated our client, but sent a strong message to the maritime industry about safety compliance. Number 2. Our client, a veteran truck driver, had pulled her 18-wheeler onto the shoulder of the highway to address a minor issue. While preparing to merge back onto the road, her truck was rear-ended by another 18-wheeler, causing severe neck and back injuries that required multiple surgeries. Through relentless legal work, the case revealed shocking evidence. The at-fault driver had been playing games on his phone at the time of the crash. This evidence, combined with a strong case for distracted driving, led to a significant settlement that ensures our client has the resources to recover and move forward. And finally, number 1. Norfolk, Virginia, our client, a seasoned tugboat captain, experienced a devastating fall. He was following company rules, descending stairs backward while carrying a crate. However, the polished wooden stairs lacked any non-skid surface, causing his foot to slip and resulting in a traumatic injury. The fall left him unconscious, and the company's response further exacerbated his suffering. Initially placed on light duty, his condition worsened, leading to a delayed medical response and a series of inadequate treatments. He underwent multiple surgeries, including one with a grim warning of potential amputation. Despite the company's attempts to downplay the incident, VB attorneys uncovered negligence at every turn. The protracted delays in treatment led to permanent nerve damage and additional injuries, including a fractured hip. Through relentless advocacy, we secured a substantial settlement, ensuring he has the resources to manage his lifelong medical needs. VB Attorneys continues to stand by our commitment to fight for justice. Join us as we champion the rights of the injured in 2025 and beyond. For unwavering legal support, contact VB Attorneys today.